everybody, and welcome to ISA's Product Spotlight. Today we're back here in our lab. We're going to be taking a look at a couple of the older Siemens Pyrotronics detectors, including the ILI-1. What you'll see here in my hand is one of the ILI-1s. Now this unit here, we have plenty in stock, both reconditioned and in salvage, that have not been tested yet. Here behind me, you'll actually see one of our test units. This is where one of the ILI-1s is hooked up to where we can actually test the units as they come in and go through the reconditioning process. Should you have one of these, we actually have the capability to also set the addresses on it. So make sure that if you don't have the programmer itself, make sure you let your account manager know what address you need your replacement device set to. Again, this is Nick Dumeier speaking about the ILI-1, and we'll talk to you again soon.